Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making sure your iPhone is signed into the Apple ID you want to own the Airtag. This links the device to you. Once done, remove the Airtag's plastic tab and hold it within a couple feet of the phone so it can broadcast. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, and, if prompted, unlock your phone with Face ID or passcode. This allows the quick pairing prompt to appear automatically and lets the Find My network register the tag. When the automatic pop-up appears, tap Connect and choose or type a name that describes the item. This helps you identify the AirTag later. Next, assign it to an item category and confirm it will be registered to your Apple ID so it shows in Find My. Make sure you allow Find My and location permissions. These permissions let the AirTag report its location and use the Find My network for lost mode. If firmware updates are prompted, finish by opening the Find My app and confirming the AirTag appears under items with the chosen name. This verifies ownership and connectivity. Test play sound, and if you have a U1 chip phone, use precision finding to ensure location accuracy. If pairing or visibility fails, reset the AirTag by removing and reinserting its battery, then press the battery until it clicks 5 times and try pairing again within 1 to 2 feet of the phone. This clears stuck states and forces a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.